Hi there. You're watching Simply Bubbles. Make sure to subscribe and enjoy the video. Hey guys, this is slime from Play-Doh, and if you saw my previous video, I played with pink Play-Doh slime. So yes, and I have two slimes here. This is a blue one, and I have a purple one. So we're going to start off playing with the blue one, and I'm going to tell you guys my favorite. Okay, so just looking at it, it's pretty squishy. And let's see the scratch. It's really, oh my gosh, it's so stretchy. Like, I don't know if you guys like, and the color's not really bad though, but yeah, it can get pretty clear. Whoa. Yeah, okay. It is a little bit sticky, but yeah. So I'm spending a minute with both slimes. So, okay, it's been about almost a minute now. Let's put it back in. And it's also fart putty. Doesn't make that much. Okay. Next minute with the purple slime. Okay. Whoa, that's so shiny and pretty. Oh, it comes out in one. Boom. Oh my gosh. It's so shiny. And stretchy. It's so stretchy. Like, whoa. It's so cool. Wow. And yeah. Wait, let me show you guys the color. So pretty. And yeah. It's amazing. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is insane. I want to see the stretch for the last 10 seconds. Okay, I think I should probably start putting this back in the container. Oh no. We did it! Okay guys, so after the 1 minute with both slimes, I have a winner. The blue one has won because it was so good, and yeah, I just want to play with it so bad, but yeah guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.